Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find all the charging slots and charge your Insta360 One RS. So first, one is right here when the entire thing is assembled. So simply open it right here. You have this gap. You can use fingernail or something else to open it. And right here you can find the USB-C charging spot. The next option requires disassembly of this device, so simply click on these two buttons with your fingers, hold them and remove the camera. Put it on the side, we don't need it anymore right now. Now open this USB slot, make sure that it's opened and simply slide down the inner handle. Like this, and from here there's also the same slot, but we can also remove the screen right here and we'll be able to charge it right here also. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.